Hi there, I'm Emily, your friendly host. Welcome to our very first episode of Train English Academy. In this episode, you'll hear a simple and fun conversation between two friends, Alex and Sarah. The topic is introducing yourself and sharing personal info. Listen carefully and repeat the key expressions with me later. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Hey, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Hi, Alex. Nice to meet you too. Yes, my name is Sarah.
Oh, Sarah? That's a beautiful name. So, where are you from?
I'm from New York City. How about you? Where are you from?
I'm from Toronto, Canada. Do you live in New York now?
Yes, I do. I live in Brooklyn with my family. And you? Do you live in Toronto now?
No. I live in Los Angeles now. I moved there last year. I work as a graphic designer.
Wow, that's cool. I'm a student at New York University. I study English literature.
That's cool. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies. What about you?
I love playing the guitar and going for walks. Do you play any instruments?
No, I don't. But I love music. What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy pop music, especially Taylor Swift.
Haha, me too. Do you go to concerts?
Sometimes. Last year, I went to a concert in LA. It was amazing.
So, do you live alone in Los Angeles?
No, I live with my roommate. He's a photographer.
I live with my mom and younger brother. I have a cat named Luna. She's so cute.
Aw, I love cats. I used to have one when I was a kid. By the way, why are you learning English?
Because I want to travel and study abroad. And you?
I need English for my job. I also want to meet new people.
That's a great reason. How do you practice?
I watch English movies and listen to podcasts. Sometimes I talk with my friends online.
Me too. I also use an app to learn new words every day.
So, what are your plans for the future?
I want to become a writer and publish a book. What about you?
That's amazing. I want to travel the world and open a small design studio.
Wow, that sounds exciting. I hope your dreams come true.
Thanks, Sarah. I hope the same for you. What do you usually do on the weekend?
I like to hang out with friends or go to the park. Sometimes I just stay home and relax.
I usually go hiking or visit art galleries. Sometimes I take photos of nature. It helps me relax.
That sounds amazing. I've never been hiking. Is it hard?
Not really. You just need good shoes and water. Some trails are easy and beautiful. If you ever come to LA, I'll show you one.
That would be great. Do you usually go alone or with friends?
Mostly with friends. It's more fun that way. We talk, take pictures, and sometimes have a picnic.
Oh, I love picnics, especially when the weather is nice. I like Prospect Park in Brooklyn. It's big and peaceful. I sometimes read books there.
That sounds perfect. Do you like reading outside?
Yes, especially in spring. It's quiet and fresh.
Do you use any apps to learn English?
Yes, I use Duolingo every day. It's fun and easy to use.
I use it too. I also watch YouTube videos and sometimes TED Talks.
TED Talks are great. The speakers are very clear. I also listen to podcasts when I walk or take the subway.
That's smart. I like the English Class 101 podcast. It teaches grammar and vocabulary in small lessons.
Oh, I've heard of that one. I use BBC Learning English. They have good short stories too.
Nice. Do you keep a notebook for new words?
Yes, I write down 5 words every day. Then I try to use them in a sentence.
That's a great habit. I use flashcards on my phone. Sometimes, there are apps like HelloTalk and Tandem. You can chat with people from around the world.
I tried Hello Talk. It's cool, but I'm a bit shy at first.
That's normal. But the more you practice, the better you get.
True. I feel more confident now than a year ago.
You're doing great. I can see that.
Hi again. Great job listening to Alex and Sarah's conversation today. We learned how to introduce ourselves, talk about where we live, share what we do, and even chat about hobbies, weekends, and language learning. Here are some key expressions to remember. I'm from, I live in, I work as, I study. On weekends, I like to. I use apps like, learning a language is a journey, and every small step matters. So keep practicing, keep listening, and don't be afraid to speak out loud. You're doing amazing. Thanks for joining us at Train English Academy. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.